A is for apple, red and round, crunchy bites with a munching sound. B is for ball, bouncing high, up and down it touches the sky. C is for cat, soft and sweet, purring gently, landing on its feet. D is for dog, wagging his tail, running fast on a forest trail. E is for elephant, big and gray, spraying water while it plays. F is for fish, swimming fast, swishing and splashing as it swims past. G is for giraffe, tall and kind, stretching high for leaves to find. H is for house, with windows and doors, a place we love with cozy floors. I is for ice cream, tasty and cold, melting quickly, fun to hold. J is for jelly, jiggly and bright, wobbles and wiggles, such a sight. K is for kite, flying so free, dancing and twirling above the tree. L is for lion, king of the land, roaring loud and looking grand. M is for moon, shining at night, glowing softly with silver light. N is for nest, cozy and neat, baby birds with chirps so sweet. O is for octopus with arms so wide, waving and twirling in the ocean tide. P is for penguin, black and white, waddling and sliding, oh what a sight. Q is for queen, wearing a crown, smiling brightly in her royal gown. R is for rainbow, colors so wide, painting magic across the sky. S is for sun, golden and warm, shining brightly after the storm. T is for train, choo-choo it goes, racing fast where the green grass grows. U is for umbrella, red and blue, keeping you dry when rain comes through. V is for viola, music so sweet, playing in a tune with a lovely beat. V is for whale, splashing in sea, singing a song, wild and free. X is for viola, fun colors so bright, ting ting ting, what a delight. Y is for yacht, sailing away over blue waves on a sunny day. Z is for zebra, black and white, galloping fast with all its might.